It's very important to understand that there is a very various way to create devices. But when you are creating a specific application, you are making some risk management, and you want to be sure that the device that is hosting the service answers to a specific level of security. So if you have one product and one solution, maybe you can trust the vendor. But in today's world, you have very different solutions that are available. The end user is selecting the last fun solution. So this is where the security certification played the full role. You are able, thanks to the security certification, to use third-party actors that will verify that all the different devices answer to the same level of security. Since the creation of Global Platform, the membership community has been very active to help different initiatives around the security certification, supporting a lot of schemes, a national scheme or international scheme. A few years ago, we have decided to have a specific scheme for the TEE to be able to answer to some specific requirements in terms of both security and also the cost and the time to create the security evaluation. Because on the consumer market, the time to market is critical information, and it was very difficult to get this kind of SLA with already available solutions. So a few years ago, we have decided to invest and to create a scheme that allows to certify the TEE. Now we are looking that this is answering to only a part of the market, and we are looking if we are able to provide additional services to answer to other level of security, typically on the secure element world or in the basic or we'll say low-end devices. And this is where Global Platform is currently working to be able to extend the services in more low-end devices, but also high-end devices. The IoT market is providing a lot of variety of new use cases where it's possible to deploy the Global Platform technology. But this variety of use cases impact a lot the way to manage the object, the cost of the object, the time frame of the object. So we understand that we need to provide more solutions to be able to answer to very various differences into the market related to this new IoT market. So Global Platform would like to propose something quite simple for the industry to help the people to select the right solution. This new offer will be based on 3 levels of security: the basic level, the intermediate level, and of course the high level of security. These 3 levels should support different types of implementation, and we think that the protection profile, which is a security requirement that defines exactly the scope of the object, that define the scope and the list of the security services that are offered by the service, it's a simple way to help the device manufacturer and the market to select the right solution. Therefore, we will combine the two, and we expect to have for each of the level, again, one of the 3 levels, to have protection profile that create different sets of features, different sets of secure services to help the market to really select what is a good solution for their market, both in terms of security features and in terms of level of security. The way that the Global Platform community is creating this certification program, it's really to provide services and value for all the stakeholders. Mainly in the case of the security certifications, 2 stakeholders will be very using this security certification. The first one will be the device manufacturer. It's sometimes very difficult to explain the value of the security and the value of the product. Thanks to the security certification generated by third-party labs, you can offer a clear status of the security of your device. And the second stakeholder will be the service provider. when your service is hosted inside the device, you want to get some insurance that the security have been well implemented. So the two stakeholders, both the device manufacturer and the service provider, will be really using the value of this security certification program from Global Platform.